Good afternoon, class, scholars. Welcome to another week of our math notes, methods, and meanings. And today we're going to be focusing on graphing points on an XY coordinate graph. So numerical data that you want to put on a two-dimensional graph is entered on the graph as points. And a point really just boils down to, it's like a dot. It's just that, it's a point. Okay? So that is a point. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to give you the definition for it. I'm going to write the word for it. That is considered a point. The graph has a horizontal line called the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. And a vertical line called the y-axis. So again, this is x-axis and this is the y-axis. The two axes cross at the origin, and this is the origin right here. I'm going to name it for you. It's origin, and it is 0 on the x and 0 on the y. Right here. That's the origin. Points on a graph, so a point on a graph, are identified by two numbers in an ordered pair. So it's very important that you understand that the way the ordered pair works. So we have an ordered pair. Ordered, ooh, my messy handwriting. Pair. An ordered pair is written as an x, y. The first number is what is the number on the x-axis. And the second number is the y-coordinate. So this is the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate. So for example, to find 3, 2, in this order, we know that the 3 is going to be found on the x-axis, and the 2 will be found on the y-axis. And once we get to that point, once they meet, that is where we put the point. So to locate the point 3, 2 on the XY graph, first start at the origin here. Let me change my color so we can. So we're here at the origin. And we're going to go 3 units to the right. Okay, so we have 1, there's 2, and then we're going to go halfway because this would be 3. 3 units to the right. And if you were actually finding the point, you wouldn't draw this part. This is just me trying to represent what it where a 3 is going to be. So here's our 3. So we go 3 units to the right. That marks the 3 on the horizontal axis. And then we're going to, from that point, we're going to go 2 units up right here. And right here, this is the point that represents 3, 2. So I'm going to actually take my eraser now and erase this information here, just because it's not important. I was just trying to show you where to go. So this is our, oops. This is an ordered pair, and it's 3 for the x-axis and 2 for the y-axis. The example of the graph, of this example that we're focusing on here, this area of the graph, is actually just one of 4 regions of an XY coordinate graph. And as we go deeper into our math and as you become more comfortable with graphing, you will learn about the different quadrants in a graph. Again, let's talk about our vocabulary. This is the point. And in this circumstance, a point is where an ordered pair meets. So our example of 3 and 2, 3 on the x-axis and a 2 for our y-axis, and that's the point. We always start at our origin, and they're called, again, an ordered pair. Again, this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. Okay, I look forward to seeing your work on question 3-95, where you will be actually using these tools and this information to graph some points on an XY coordinate graph. All right, thank you guys. Bye-bye.